Let's build news literacy to better live out the gospel. The print magazines and online articles are for them. The discipleship and teaching resources are for you. More at gwnews.com.
The Fed announcing a long-awaited change on Wednesday.
To reduce the degree of policy restraint by lowering our policy interest rate by 0.5 percentage point.
Great. What does that mean?
It signifies the beginning of the Federal Reserve trying to normalize the cost of money. You know, the interest rate people pay is what it costs to borrow capital.
Capital is a broad financial term. In this case, the money a person or business borrows, whether it's for day-to-day needs or an investment.
And the Fed sets the rate for very short-term borrowing, what banks have to charge each other. And then that rate ends up leading into what a lot of other borrowing rates are based on.
Those other borrowing rates include things like credit cards, auto loans, or mortgages. So, good news for borrowers as the Fed lowers interest rates, but maybe not for savers. Savings account investment rates will drop too. Rate cuts also affect employment numbers.
So if the borrowing costs are higher, there's less activity going on in the economy, therefore less hiring. And if the cost of money is lower, then it's trying to stimulate economic activity, therefore more hiring. So this is all really their explicit aim, is to use the cost of money to manipulate economic activity, including employment.
This latest rate change by the Fed marks its first cut since 2020, and it won't be its last.
They've signaled that they want to go down a full 1% from where they were. They were at 5.5%. They want to get to 4.5% by the end of the year.
Its goal is 2% in coming years.
The U.S. economy is in good shape. It's growing at a solid pace. Inflation is coming down. The labor market is in a strong pace. We want to keep it there.
A positive outlook, but only time will tell if the Fed's rate changes accomplish what it hopes. If you like that story, do me a favor, tap the like and subscribe button below. And if you really liked it, check out the full show free for a week. Just head over to worldwatch.news/free video.